Hello, this is Kerri Mook, and I just wanted to come on and do a quick sound healing today to share some of this amazing energy that is coming in. I feel like there is a lot of Christ light. There's also a lot of energy from Archangel Gabriel and his twin flame, Archangel Hope. It's a diamond white crystalline light that also carries a lot of the energy of the water, and it washes over us. It's very cleansing, very purifying, very joyful, and I just wanted to share that with you. Anai, oh, ooh, ah, ah, anai, oh, Nuan Amayo Ya Ayo Allah Allah Alihu Ihu Allah Nayom. May you have a very blessed day.